Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Black Panther from the new Marvel Legends series. It's a Build-A-Figure. This one doesn't come with any of the parts. In the back, there's some cool design of Black Panther himself. He has gold, not like the original one, but still looks cool. And on the backs, is that the same one? Yeah, I think it's the same one. These are the other figures to collect. And this is what you do right here. I think it's called like the Void or something like that. Yeah, the Void. Build-A-Figure. You have Vision. And I think Blue Boy? I'm not sure. I don't know the rest then. And we're gonna open it and we're gonna see how good this is. We just okay. Oh. Oh, this looks nice. Pairs of hands. Oh, that. Sorry, that fell. Comes with 2 pairs of hands. Fist. And here 2 fists. And look at yourself. Oh, that looks cool. Also, from the back of the tape. Then there you go. This cape feels nice. It just it's probably gonna look bad in some posing. Well, okay, let's see how far can he go? I mean, that's pretty decent. It's okay. And far back. I'm not sure he's gonna be able because of his cape. Hit. That's all he can. Go back up. Neck. All the way. Oh, that's pretty good. All the way down. That's good. And can we see his cape? I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think we can. No. Can we? I'm not trying to break it right now. I'm gonna put it right back on. If I can. No, yeah, that's glued on. Oh shoot. Well, oh well. Well, this does have pretty good. Almost, you can almost use this. Really good. Swivel in the arms. Joint. It's pretty fine. Far up. Twist, twist, twist. Oh, it goes all the way back. It's a double joint. I mean, it's pretty good. It's a good figure. Cost me like $27 from GameStop. It's pretty good. It looks good. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, that is really good, actually. That's good. There's a joint right here. That's nice. This is a good figure. I mean, if you want it, you can get it. I really don't want to make this. Oh, there we go. Oh, I mean, it's a good figure. If you're into Black Panther, I mean, I recommend this to you. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching and peace out.